Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Epstein. I'm with a very sweet patient, Julissa. Say hi, Julissa. Anyway, Julissa's here she's an Operation Restore patient. Operation Restore is put on through the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery to provide pro bono hair procedures, reconstructive and restorative procedures for patients that have scarring due to a variety of conditions. Everything from surgery in the case of someone like Julissa to having received radiation therapy and a variety of other causes. The ISHRS has, I believe, provided over 60 patients with these pro bono free surgeries with a value of over $800,000. I personally have done at least, I think this is my third procedure. I did a patient, I think a year and a half ago, a patient that suffered as a result of the mine explosion in Afghanistan, actually Iraq, excuse me, from Iraq. He lost his beard and his mustaches. So as a veteran, we went ahead and did some pro bono surgery to restore some hair for him. And I've done another patient, a young girl who had a burn scar, that we did balloon expanders on. This is a more conventional case. It doesn't involve beard or eyebrow transplants, nor balloon expanders. For Julissa, it's a hair transplant procedure to repair her old craniotomy scars, the result of surgeries to repair a vascular malformation. And what we're doing on her today, if you can come in here, is basically we're doing hair transplants to fill in her scars that are along here, that go across and then go to the other side. So the way we're doing this procedure is by hair transplants, a mixture of some small strip procedure from the very back of her head combined with FUE grafts, follicular unit extraction grafts. Together should provide her with an improved coverage of the scar. To improve the rate of regrowth of the scar, we also did PRP, injected PRP, platelet-rich plasma into these scars. Julissa is now one day out from her procedure, and we did over 1,000 grafts to some scarring. We're coming a little closer. You can see she's all filled in. You can see the little hairs all throughout there, all through here at the top, all through here on this side, go back there, and then right through here, up through the right temple. So she's doing well. Anything you'd like to say?
No, just thank you guys for everything.